This is the true story of Reckless, a small Mongolian mare who became the greatest war hero horse in American history. Named for the 5th Marines Recoilless Rifle Company, also known as Reckless Rifles, this 4-year-old mare was bred to be a racehorse and purchased at a Korean racetrack for $250 to help transport ammunition for the company. During the fight to retake Outpost Vegas in 1953, she made 51 trips, mostly on her own, to the firing sites. She carried over 9,000 pounds of ammunition and walked over 35 miles through open rice paddies and up steep hills through artillery that was exploding at the rate of 500 rounds per minute. After the war, the Marines brought her to Camp Pendleton, where she was billeted at the post stable and died in May 1968. Reckless was an American icon in the 50s, as famous as Lassie, Rin Tin Tin, and Seabiscuit. Yet her remarkable story has been lost in the pages of history until now. At the National Museum of the Marine Corps in Triangle, Virginia, an exhibit for Staff Sergeant Reckless was opened, and an incredible monument by artist Jocelyn Russell was unveiled in a grand ceremony befitting any war hero. The highest levels of the Marine Corps were present, including the Commandant of the Marine Corps, General James Amos. This monument stands to honor all of those who also may have felt forgotten after the Korean War, but never will be forgotten again. And her amazing story continues. The Sergeant Reckless Memorial Fund is pleased to announce that Churchill Downs is generously donating to a second monument of Staff Sergeant Reckless at Camp Pendleton, and we hope you all will do the same at sergeantreckless.com. There has never been another horse like Reckless, and her story deserves this place in history.